Hello guys and welcome to Howto Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to send disappearing photos or videos on Instagram. So let's start. First, open the Instagram app. Now go to your DMs from top right corner and select a conversation. Now tap on the blue button on bottom left corner. You can click a picture right away or select one from your gallery. You can also select videos. At the bottom of the screen, if you tap on Allow Replay, this photo will be available for replay. If you tap on Keep in Chat, this picture will be available on the chat. And if you tap on View Once, this photo will be disappeared once it is viewed. Then tap Send. And just like that, you can also send videos. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.